Let us solve for x in this exponential equation. 9 raised to power the square root of x is equal to the square root of 27 raised to power x. There are a number of ways to begin this solution process, but I'm going to start from the right hand side. Get rid of this radical by expressing the expression as 27 raised to power x, then raised to power 1 over 2. This means that 9 raised to power root x is equal to all of this. 9 raised to power root x is equal to 27. I can open up this bracket and write this as x times 1 over 2, that is x over 2 like that. This 9 itself, as well as 27, can respectively be broken down into 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 3. So the left hand side is 3 raised to power 2 root x, and the right hand side is 3 raised to power 3 times x over 2 will definitely give us 3 raised to power 3x over 2. And on the left hand side, we still have 3 raised to power 2 root x. So the idea was to arrive at the same base, which is 3, because the law of indices says once the bases are the same, then these powers are equal to each other, which implies that we now have 2 root x equal to 3x over 2. And then we can now solve for x. To solve for x here, I am going to cross multiply because I have a fraction on the right hand side. To get rid of that fraction, I need to cross multiply, but I'll first write this as over 1, and then I'll say cross multiply. So 2 times 2 root x would definitely give me 4 root x, and this is equal to 3x. Let's go ahead and square both sides. Carefully open this bracket. The left hand side becomes 16, then x, because this should be expressed as 4 raised to power 2 times root x raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 is 16. Root x raised to power 2 is simply x. And that is equal to, doing the same thing for the right hand side, this will be 9x squared. 9x squared. So we have 16x is equal to 9x squared. If I move everything to the left hand side, this equation becomes 16x minus 9x squared is equal to 0. We have a quadratic equation which we can factorize this expression on the left hand side to give us x into 16 minus 9x is equal to 0. And with this we can say either x is equal to 0 or 16 minus 9x is equal to 0. This is already a solution, but the second one can be solved further. So for the second one here, we have 16, taking negative minus x to the other side, we have equal to 9x, which can also be written as 9x is equal to 16. Of course, to solve for x here, I'll just divide through by 9, which means that x is equal to 16 over 9. So we have two solutions from the given equation, and the first one being x. So let's say this is x1. x1 is equal to 0, and then x2 is equal to 16 over 9. We can check our answer by putting each of these values into our given equation to confirm the answers. So the first was x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, we're going to have 9 raised to power the square root of 0 is equal to the square root of 27 raised to power 0. The square root of 0 is still 0. If you press your calculator, you confirm that. Square root of 0 is 0. So we have 9 raised to power 0 on the left hand side. 9 raised to power 0 is equal to, now the square root of 27 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So this means we have the square root of 1 here. And then 9 raised to power 0, any number raised to power 0 is 1, which means that here is also 1. And then the square root of 1 is also 1. So which means the first solution, x raised to power 0, is accepted. We'll also go ahead and check for the second solution, which is x is equal to 16 over 9. Remember our equation is 9 raised to power square root of x is equal to square root of 27 raised to power x. So let's put this new value into that equation. This is going to be 9 raised to power the square root of 16 over 9 is equal to 27 raised to power 16 over 9. If we get rid of this radical here, this is 27 raised to power 1 over 2 times 16 over 9. And then on the left hand side, the square root of 16 over 9 is 4 over 3. So we have 9 raised to power 4 over 3. 2 here is 1 and 2 here is 8. If I rewrite that expression on the right hand side, I have 27 raised to power 8 over 9. On the left hand side, I have 9 raised to power 4 over 3. Now let's change 9 and 27 to 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 3 respectively. Then times 4 over 3. I already explained this concept earlier. So times 8 over 9. So this is for the left hand side. 2 times 4 over 3 is 8 over 3. So on the left hand side we have 3 raised to power 8 over 3 is equal to, for the right hand side, 3 here is 1, 3 here is 3, and then we still have 3 raised to power 8 over 3. So which also confirms that the second solution is accepted. So our solutions are x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 16 over 9. 16 over 9 can also be broken down into one whole number, 7 over 9. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and I'll see you in my next video.